What is APQR, APR, PQR? APQR is Annual Product Quality Review as per FDA, APR is Annual Product Review as per US FDA, and PQR is Product Quality Review as per EU GMP. Note APQR, APR, PQR all are same, but terms are differently used by different guidelines.
APQR is a regular, periodic review of all licensed medicinal products, with the objective of verifying the consistency of the existing manufacturing process to highlight any trends, and to identify product and process improvements or weaknesses. Importance of APQR: 1. To verify consistency of existing manufacturing process. 2. To determine defects and possible improvements of the method and process. 3. To highlight trend of yield, analytical results and manufacturing parameters of the product. 4. To reviews quality of raw materials and packing materials used for product. 5. To review complaints, recalls, out of specifications, deviations, change controls, corrective and preventive actions, qualifications, validations, incidents and stability data. Numbering system of APQR, Annual Product Quality Review shall be numbered as QA/APQR/4X/YY/ZZZ, where QA stands for Quality Assurance, APQR stands for Annual Product Quality Reviews, 4X stands for Product Code, YY stands for last 2 digit of current calendar year, ZZZ stands for serial number starts from 001. Selection of batches for APQR. 1. Product to be selected for preparation of APQR, which manufactured at least 5 batches in year. 2. In case 5 batches not manufactured, combined with consecutive 2 years batches. 3. For trending and statistical analysis, CPK calculation, at least 10 batches should be required. 4. If product having different brand name, but generic name, strength, manufacturing process, formulation, primary packing, specifications is same, then considers this is a one product.
Stages of APQR: define roles, collect information, analyze information, prepare report, review report. Contents of APQR but not limited to 1. Index. 2. Introduction, objective, scope, acceptance criteria. 3. Product details. 4. Process validation status of product. 5. Qualification or calibration status of major equipments and instruments.
6. Review of active pharmaceutical ingredients and primary packing material. 7. Review quality parameters and trend of active pharmaceutical ingredients. 8. Review quality parameters and trend of finished product. 9. Review water quality used in product. 10. Review of environmental monitoring. 11. Review technical agreement. 12. Review of change control.
13. Review of deviations. 14. Review of incidents. 15. Review of corrective actions and preventive actions. 16. Review stability data. 17. Review market complaints and product recalls. 18. Review of out of specifications or out of trends batches and investigations.
19. Review of control samples. 20. Regulatory status and audit observation of product. 21. Review details of batch failure and reprocessing. 22. Review details of returned goods. 23. Review post-approval changes and marketing authorization. 24. Review of field alert.
25. Review recommendation of previous APQR. 26. Recommendation. 27. Summary with conclusion. 28. Corrective and preventive actions from conclusion. Timeline and storage of APQR. APQR of all products manufactured in the current year, from the 1st of January to the 31st of December shall be completed within 4 months after respective annual year, that is till end of April month of next year. APQR should be stored till product expiry plus 1 year. Responsibilities: 1. QA officer, collect data, prepare and review APQR. 2. Production head, organize production related data and review APQR. 3. QC head, organize QC related data and review APQR. 4. Engineering head, organize engineering related data and review APQR. 5. QA head, suggest capper and approve APQR report.
Process capability, CP, CPK versus PP, PPK. CP and CPK are called process capability. PP and PPK are called process performance. CP and CPK are used when a process is under statistical control. CP stands for process capability and CPK stands for process capability index. CP is the tolerance width divided by short-term process variability, irrespective of process centering. CP is equal to upper specification limit minus lower specification limit divided by 6 into standard deviation. CPK is the capability index which accounts for process centering. CPK is equal to min of upper specification limit minus mean divided by 3 into standard deviation, and mean minus lower specification limit divided by 3 into standard deviation. PP is the tolerance width divided by the long-term process variability, irrespective of process centering. PP is equal to upper specification limit minus lower specification limit divided by 6 into standard deviation. PPK is the performance index which accounts for process centering. PPK is equal to mean of upper specification limit minus mean divided by the 3 into standard deviation, and mean minus lower specification limit divided by the 3 into standard deviation.
Comparative evaluation of APQR with respect to US and Europe. In US it is known as APR or PAR. In Europe it is known as PQR. Regulatory authority for preparation of APQR in US at US FDA, CDER Center for Drug Evaluation and Research. In Europe it is European Medicine Agency AMAA, Committee for Medicinal Product for Human Use CHMP and for Veterinary Use CVMP, Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee PRAC.
Regulation required for US is 21 CFR 211.180A and for Europe AMEA Part 1 of EU GMP Chapter 1. Study and review of all quality-related data, returned product complaints, product recall, performed at the time of review in both US and Europe.
Review of CAPA, qualification status of equipment, starting material and packing material used in preparation of product, contractual agreement, data related to process control are not specified in US APR but specified in Europe PQR. Evidence and information related to the salvaged products are reviewed in US APR but not reviewed in Europe PQR. Review of deviation, stability data, adverse trend, marketing authorization, post-marketing commitment, only export product data, fails batches data, equipment CAPA all are not specified in US APR but specified in Europe PQR. Data of total number of approved or rejected batches are specified in US APR but not specified in Europe PQR.
Guidelines 1. PIC Guidelines GMP Clause 1.42. 21 CFR 211.180A 211.192. 3. EU GMP Guidelines Chapter 1, 4. ICHQ 7. Number 2.5. 5. WHO GMP, APQR preparation is not mandatory.